Hearing a strange high-pitched sound from your AirPods? Don't worry, they're probably not damaged. This is a common issue and usually happens because of some settings, connection problems, or small software bugs. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix it completely. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Disable enhancement features. If you're using noisy, cancellation, or transparency mode, your AirPods may give you a high-pitched noise due to glitch. You can simply disable them to fix the problem. To disable, open Settings. If you're connected to your AirPods, it will show right up in the main settings. So just tap on it. On the noise control panel, select Off. Don't select anything else than this. After that, try to play something and see if the high-pitched noise appears or not. Solution 2. Check for interference and background noise. That high-pitched sound can happen when you're in a windy area or there's audio feedback from your mic being too close to the speaker. Or there could be other Bluetooth devices interfering with the connection. You can move to a quieter spot and turn off unnecessary background devices or electronics. After that, test your AirPods again. Solution 3. Disable automatic ear detection. This feature is really useful as it disables the AirPods when it's not in your ears. So go to Settings, tap on your AirPods in the main settings menu, scroll down, and turn off automatic ear detection. Once you turn this feature off, try to check the issue again. Solution 4. Reset your AirPods. Clears out pairing or sync glitches. Put both AirPods back into the case, then open the lid. Now tap just below the front light of the case in this sequence. Tap 2 times, 2 times, again 2 times, and again 2 times. At this point, you should see the light blink red, then white. That means your AirPods have been reset. If the light doesn't change the first time, close the lid, open it again, and repeat the tap pattern. It usually works on the second try. After this, reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone and try setting up personalized spatial audio again. Now try to reconnect your AirPods and check your issue. Hopefully, this time your issue will be fixed. But if none of the solutions work, it could be a hardware problem, like a faulty microphone or an internal speaker. In that case, it's best to reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for proper check. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.